Begin by opening the deck lid. The tail light is attached in two places, by the engine compartment, red arrow, and one friction fit inside the cavity of the fender, yellow arrow. Use a T25 Torx and remove the two screws holding it to the mount, red arrows. Slide the tail light back and away from the fender, red arrow. If you are worried about scratching the paint, put some tape down before you move the unit. Use a small flathead screwdriver to release the clip, red arrow, on the electrical connector and slide the connector back and off. You can now remove the tail light completely from the vehicle. This image shows the electrical connector, yellow arrow, and the forward mounting point for the tail light assembly, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to seat the assembly in the grommet by the fender first. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.